Don't let go of the clutch.
Oh, you just slowly let go.
It's enough to remember, man. Wait. What? Just brake, not accelerated.
He's probably Facebooking you.
No, he's not. Is it starting?
Yeah. You did it once. Remember?
I didn't want it.
Slowly.
Slowly let go of that one.
And I'm doing the challenge.
Oh, jeez.
Good girl.
That's my girl! Woo! You're going the wrong way!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you have to do all that just to go?
Now you
Oh.
keep the clutch in, and you put the gear in neutral.
Where's neutral?
Right there. Push the handbrake. Handbrake. Put it up, and that's how you park it. But you have to keep it in first. You have to keep it in first when you park it.
Where's neutral?
Neutral in the middle. Like when you move it, you can move it side to side. That's neutral.
So when you do it, you go this one.
No, I keep it in first because that's like your parking brake or like parking. Because if you keep it in neutral, it's just you can push
Because
it.
I remember seeing my stepdad. All this stuff. Oh my god. I
It
can't.
reminds me of Isaiah's.